are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword from. Greetings, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're unraveling the elegance of Python's from keyword, a pivotal tool in the import statement that simplifies and streamlines accessing modules and their components. Join us as we explore how from enhances code clarity and efficiency. In Python, the from keyword is used in import statements to import specific variables, functions, classes, or even submodules from a module. It allows you to directly access these elements without prefixing them with the module name, streamlining your code and making it more readable. Why from? Its purpose is to bring simplicity and focus to your code. By importing only what you need directly into your namespace, you avoid clutter and make your code more intuitive to follow. It's about writing less and doing more. Utilize the from keyword when you need specific functionality from a module without the overhead of importing the entire module. It's particularly useful in large projects where maintaining a clean and organized code base is essential for readability and efficiency. Let's dive into an example to see the from keyword in action. Here, instead of importing the entire datetime module, we use from to import just the datetime class from it. This allows us to call datetime.now method directly, making the code cleaner and more concise. Embracing the from keyword in your Python imports is a step towards writing more elegant and efficient code. It's about bringing into focus what's necessary and keeping your code base neat and understandable. Continue to refine your Python skills with us. For more programming tips and insights, make sure to subscribe.